Okay, so my next project is I am going to reupholster my seat. 2021 Yamaha EX Sport. So I ordered a new seat cover from this place called HydroTurf. They're local here. They're not a sponsor. I paid for this, but this is where I got it from. They're local here, Clearwater, Florida. So what we're gonna do, first thing I need to do is, if you can see, there's about 8.5 trillion staples in this thing. So I need to go and tediously remove every single one of them. So I'm just going to use some simple tools. Needle nose, flathead screwdriver. So I won't bore you with me going through all of them. So once I get them all out, I'll turn this back on and go on next step. About 20 minutes it took me to get all those staples out. And the cover's just going to slide right off, just like that. Nice and simple. My jet ski has been ridden for about 2 weeks. The foam is still wet, so I don't want to put the new cover on until this is dry. So I'm gonna let that sit just another day. But I will give you a preview of what the new cover is gonna look like. So I got to design it myself. And they put the pattern together. Sewed it for me. To give you an idea what it's going to look like. It'll all get stretched in when I staple it back down. Pretty well made. Again, HydroTurf. No, not sponsoring. I paid for this. $175, I think it was. Took them 4 days to get it to me. It's a pretty good turnaround for custom made cover. Alright, so I'm gonna let this thing dry for a day, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll staple this thing together and get the final product. Okay, so we are back at it today. Got everything I needed. I'm gonna go ahead and start down here at the quarters. Just I think that's gonna be the most difficult place to start. Just get that lined up at that corner and get it as tight as I can. And we're gonna flip it. And I think, yeah, let's get it. Let's put it this way. Looks like it's pretty lined up there, so I'm gonna put a couple staples. Oh, help if I turn the air on. All right. So let's see. Put one right there. first one. Let's get another one right there. That's a good start. We're gonna put 500,000 staples in this thing, so. I'm gonna put a lot more than that, but I'm gonna go back through. I think I need to put that air pressure down a little bit too much because it's pushing way too far. All right, so right now we're at 50 psi. So let's go ahead and try this again right here. All right, finished product. Pretty nice. Not quite a professional job, but pretty good. Right there is a little loose, but that'll wear down. You see the setup in eventually. So, use a lot of staples. Had to use the heat gun a couple times. Make sure you get a good stretch on it. Come out pretty good. I like it. Looks nice. Much better than that factory ugly looking stuff. That's what it looks like on. You may ask, why gray? Eventually, I'm gonna make this that color. And this is gonna be that color. There's too much red. Give them gray. Make it different than everybody else's. So last week I put the Solus stainless steel impeller on. I put the Riva intake grate on. Before that, a few weeks back, I did the Riva cold air intake. And then a couple weeks before that, I did the Riva exhaust. So, going out tomorrow. It's gonna be beautiful weather here in Florida. I'm gonna take it out, take it for a ride. Try my hand at fishing for the second time. We'll see how this thing goes. I'll let you know. Okay, so I took it out yesterday. About 4 or 5 hours of riding. As you can see, the looseness in that seat. Fabric settled in. And, everything's not really good. I like it. I'm very impressed. The quality of the vinyl itself is so much better than the factory Yamaha upholstery. I'm glad I did it.